Here, I'm gonna make a video on my tour because seriously, I'm bored. Crap. Here is what I put it in. Now, this is my favorite place. And show you what my mama does. I got this for Christmas. I play for the Bengals. Woo, go Tiger! Hello. Nothing hard to you to clean. Get it out of the machine. Arrange. And across the middle. Actually, this was just a regular rabbit foot until I put it on the chain. If you want to read it, here. Well, I'm almost done with it. I'm not going to show all of my ears. Almost done showing. There's more, but I don't really have much time. So I've showed you most of all my drawings. The ones I didn't show you probably wouldn't later anyway. So